This is Giancarlo Zuliani, a double board certified facial plastic surgeon in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, and this is the educational series on cellular repair. We utilize the Cellular Repair Protocol through ELIXIR MD's photobiomodulation system for three main reasons. The first reason is to inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines that are released postoperatively. These are mainly interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha. By limiting their production, we ensure quicker healing times. The second main reason we use the Cellular Repair Protocol is to allow the lymphatic system to work more effectively in the early postoperative phase. This allows wastes and proteins to be moved out and allows immune cells to be moved in more efficiently. In doing so, it decreases edema and swelling, thus leading to quicker and easier recovery times. The third main reason we use the Cellular Repair Protocol is that by using the yellow light to penetrate deeply in the skin, we activate the body's mitochondria and cellular membranes to promote tissue healing at an early and more rapid stage. The Cellular Repair Protocol is very important because we have utilized the photobiomodulation system to downregulate inflammation and increase tissue repair, thus decreasing scarring, redness, and swelling, and it is a very important aspect in our practice in order to get people back up on their feet again.